CBS 5 investigates new questions on whether investigators overlooked a prime suspect in the Valley's freeway shooter case.
The guy we're talking about tonight, his name is Leslie Merritt Jr. He was arrested back in 2015, accused in a series of shootings. But new court filings now suggest many clues pointed to another man as the suspect. CBS 5's Carissa Planup here in studio tonight to kind of break down some of these new court records.
Well, you guys remember that the charges were later dropped against Leslie Merritt Jr., and he is now suing the state. Now, this write-up here from a police expert examining the case suggests that DPS should have been looking at another guy. Leslie Merritt Jr. was blamed for a string of freeway shootings in 2015, but these records point to Aaron Saucedo, the man arrested for the serial street shootings.
They focused on one individual and they put on blinders to everybody else. And you can't do that when you investigate.
Jesse Torres, former DPS officer, now a police practices expert. He's reviewed new documents filed by the attorney for Leslie Merritt Jr., suggesting Saucedo was a prime suspect because a gun he pawned traced back to an address where a homicide had happened. Court filings say this should have been a red flag to investigators. The documents say license plate readers captured a plate number nearly identical to Saucedo's plate number near two of the freeway shootings, and shell casings at the scenes matched rounds purchased by Saucedo at a pawn shop moments before the shootings. If Leslie Merritt Jr. didn't commit these crimes, Torres questions why isn't there anything new on a search for the real shooter?
If they don't have a shooter, then who is the shooter? Where is that evidence that proves that this guy is tied in here?
DPS tells us Aaron Saucedo is not a suspect in any of their investigations. Leslie Merritt Jr. still moving forward with his $10 million federal lawsuit against the state. Guys, back to you.
Carissa Planup, thank you.